Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page in the Saturday edition. Yes, Saturday, September the 30th, 2023. We have here 6 extra puzzles in this puzzle page. The 3 stars Sudoku, we have 2 of them. Yeah, twice. Here another one. Then we have a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and a tectonic. Not all of these puzzles I will solve this evening. 4 of them I will solve. Tomorrow I will do the additional. Let me show you the additional. Sunday. We have plans to solve these additional 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, and also the Samurai Sudoku. Alright, the first one, 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku, number 7187. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, if it's really a 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 26 should be a 2 stars. And if it's a 2 stars, then I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Is this a 2 stars or is this a 3 stars puzzle? We'll see, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. Okay. 99. Okay. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. Only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the column next, so no 9 there. So the only place left on the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. Alright. How about the number? Let me see. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. How about the 1 in the third column? 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Okay, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. We have a pair, the 1 and the 3 in this row, the 1 and the 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1, 1, okay. 3, 3, 3, 3, okay. 3, 6, and 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 5. Cannot fill this yet, 3 and 5. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay, and now 2, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in the last column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Overlook this 1. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Do we have all the 1s? And all the 1s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. Okay. How about the number? The number, let me see. We have a 2 here. We have a 9, 1, 3. Wow. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Okay, here can we see. In this column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 2. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be a 2, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. Well, cannot continue with the 2, need to wait. Then 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. Okay. How about the number? Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in the first column should be here. 6, yeah, 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay. Now. How about the number? 5, 8, 4. Wow. These are 3 missing numbers in this column. First column are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this row. So no 7, 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in the first column for number 4. Alright. Oh, overlook this 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay. Alright. Then let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Okay. Then let me see. 7 and 8. We already have a 7 in this row. Overlooked. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. Okay. 8, 8. 5, 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing. No. Incorrect. We have 3 missing numbers. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Okay. Here we have also 2 numbers left in this row. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. And look, we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright, so we have a 9 in the third column. 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? Yeah. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here are the same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a pair 7 and 8. That means 1 digit left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. Here also 2 numbers left. The 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left, 7 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now. Third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Same numbers, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers to 1, to 2, 3, to 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and 7. 5, 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes and there. Finishing 15 minutes. Wow. 15 minutes. Well, 50 minutes, not faster than 50 minutes, well, told you, should be at 2 stars, and we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.